All right, in the first video, we talked about ors. Now we're going to talk about ands. All right, remember ors was that straight up and down line, which I'm not 100% sure if it has a name or not. But for this, we're going to look at ands, which are double ampersands. All right, you can see them in the almost the same expressions that I had before. Here's how I've changed this. Again, it's just simple code, basic shell. I've declared three integers, num1, num2, num3, and assigned it 1, 2, and 3 respectively. All right, again, the key line is this if line. Let's take a look at this. If num1 equals 1 and num2 equals 2 and num3 equals 3, see out success. What this means is where before only one of the three had to be true for the whole statement to be true, this one, all three of these have to be true. Num1 has to be 1, num2 has to be 2, and num3 has to be equal to 3. Okay, so this if statement, if, and I could just keep going out with this and ampersands and conditions. All of them have to be met to see out success. All right. So let's run this. You can see it's gonna see out success because num1 is equal to 1, num2 is equal to 3, and num3 is equal to 3. So there you see success. Now let's just go back and change one number. I'm just going to change num1 to 9. All right. So this should, and it will, see out failure because look, num1, it's going to meet this. Num2 equals num2, num3 equals num3, but it's going to fail this part right here. This is going to be false. So you got false and false and true, which will give you a failure. All right. Again, I've for the first two for the ands and the ors, I've used three things. Guys, this can just be 2, or it can be 5. It doesn't matter. It can just keep going out. It's the comparisons. The key takeaway from this is ands. When it's ands, all the conditions have to be true for it to be a success. All right. Where we had the ors, where just one of the three had to be true for it to be a success. All right. Guys, give us a little bit of time, play with it, change the numbers around some. It's real important that you've got ands and ors, set up firmly in your mind of how they work.